హైదరాబాద్ వేదికగా ఇంటర్నేషనల్ కమోడిటీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఐసీఐ రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వ ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ప్రపంచ వరి శిఖరాగ్ర సదస్సును వ్యవసాయ శాఖ మంత్రి తుమ్మల నాగేశ్వరరావు ప్రారంభించారు. ప్రపంచ నలుమూలల నుంచి వరి శాస్త్రవేత్తలు, బియ్యం వ్యాపారులు హాజరయ్యారు. ఇక భారత్లో వరి సాగుపై పరిశోధనలు, నాణ్యత, ఎగుమతుల పెంపుపై సదస్సులో విస్తృతంగా చర్చిస్తున్నారు. అంతర్జాతీయ వరి పరిశోధన సంస్థ, భారతీయ వరి పరిశోధన సంస్థ నాలెడ్జ్ భాగస్వాములుగా వ్యవహరిస్తున్నాయి. ప్రస్తుత సాంకేతికతో పాటు రైస్ సైన్స్లో పురోగతి, హైబ్రిడ్ రైస్ అంతర్జాతీయ మార్కెట్లో దృక్పథంపై విస్తృతంగా చర్చిస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు అలా చూద్దాం.
Of the rice from next season onwards. As we are aware that India is the largest exporter of rice in world, accounting for 45% of the global market share. India's rice is exported to more than 100 countries in the world. In the future, India will have more surplus rice to export to foreign countries by 2030. Telangana is exporting its rice mainly to countries like Philippines, USA, Bangladesh, United Arab Emirates and UK. Varieties like Sona Masuri, Sama Masuri, HMT, MTU 1010 boiled, IR64 steamed rice, JGL varieties are having huge demand in other countries. The production of rice in our country has increased almost 8 times after independence and reached 14 crore metric tons. Despite the resources and technology required for rice production, the organization crisis remains two major challenges even today. We have made a significant progress in resolving production-related factors over the year, but market-related problems remains the major concerns for ensuring better price to farmers. I believe that the summit will provide a very good opportunity to widen our export market and also creates a platform for our domestic traders to interact and collaborate with major traders in the world. I request you, our scientists, millers, and progressive farmers taking part in this summit to understand and learn from them experience of other participants, mainly on aspects like better milling techniques adopted by the other countries, state-of-the-art storage facilities and ways and means of providing continuation of goods at various stages, etc. There is a need to focus on developing more high-yielding fine varieties, which is suitable for our climatic condition and also have the export potential. Recently, a low glycemic index super fine rice variety Telangana Sona has gained popularity across the country and even exporting the other countries. There is a demand in the market for seeds with a length of more than 6 mm. We shall make our effort for developing such varieties suitable for domestic as well as export market. I take this opportunity to appeal Government of India to come forward to adopt export-friendly rules and regulations to benefit the farming community to get better market price. I congratulate the International Commodity Organization for organizing such events over the year and creating a platform to bring together leading rice scientists along with rice exporters and importers under one umbrella to discuss on policy issues for rice development. I am looking forward for fruitful deliberations and successful trade agreements between the organizations over next 2 days. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you so very much. It's a pleasure to hear you.
Just small 2 minutes, sir. Telangana Rice Millers Association want to felicitate our honorable two ministers and vice chairman. Quickly, 2 minutes. Mr. Nagendar, President, and General Secretary Mohan Reddy Garu. Just within 2 minutes. I know the time constraints. Nagendar Garu, please.